Hello, I'm Lily. Today I'm going to show you how to cook chickpeas in Chinese way. Chinese style spaced chickpeas, and first you need to pay for the dry chickpeas. You put in the cold water for over 8 hours, and next day you can use it. And then you need to this magic powder, and this is from my friend. She bought from the Chongqing, the city of hot pot's hometown. So I just put some the magic powder into the pot. Around about 3 spoons is enough, because it's very strong magic powder. So, okay, now it's enough, I think. Oh, keep going. Okay, around 3 spoons of the magic powder. It's included some salt, so don't need to put salt usually. And then next you need to put the cold water. I put around 2 liters of cold water. And then the chickpeas. So you just mix them together and stir it, and then open the fire, and then let's see what's magic going to happen. You need to mix the water over all the chickpeas. How much water you need to put? Okay, let's see. You use a chopstick and to stick into the chickpeas, and let's see, around 2 centimeters is enough. And now you just boil it and add the scum rices, just skim it off. Yeah, you need to make it more clear. And then you can put some other things like potato, egg, meat you like. I just put 3 eggs into the soup and skim off the scum. This is ugly, so just let them go. Okay, let's see. We'll wait about 10 minutes later, and now it's time to crack the eggshell. You can use the spoon just to crack it a little bit as you want. Why we do this? Because we want the flavor enter the egg. So if you crack the eggshell, it will make them more tasty. It's already looks so tasty for me. Okay, just a little bit is enough. But if you don't like it, it's okay. You don't need to do it. It needs a little skill. I think after you try a little bit, it's very easy to correct it in the boiled water. Okay, the last one. Just a little bit is enough. Okay, then you just throw them back to the boiled water, and then now, after 30 minutes, it's all done. Sorry, I just forgot the time, so it's a little overcooked, but still good because it's like a roasted chickpeas, spiced chickpeas. Oh, this is egg. My pot has some problem, but if you put more water, and it will look much nice. And this is how I cooked. Just the egg, you can see the color change a little bit, and also you can eat with some vegetables and put in the rice, and all eat with some bread, as you like. Thank you for watching, and subscribe my channel. You will get more information about Chinese.